What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, we're not in front of the computer today, but this is quite an important video because there's a lot of misinformation going around right now. My partner's Justin. We're actually in the customs office right now. We got a whole lot of stuff imported from overseas to sell over here, and they got caught up in customs and they're trying to charge us massive amounts of GST taxes, and they're trying to charge us a massive handling fee, massive processing fee. So we're in a big argument with them right now, and we're trying to get it we basically don't want the products anymore because they're trying to charge us ridiculous fees. That's what I'm sitting here waiting for my partner to come out of the customs office, and then I'm going to go in there and try and sort some stuff out as well. So guys, in this video, this is quite important. There are a lot of videos going around right now, not really a lot, but quite a few, about dropshippers getting banned on Facebook. Now, this is complete misinformation. Dropshippers are not getting banned. What is happening is dropshippers are stealing videos from other pages and then using them on their own. Some of them are not even taken off the watermarks, and the other pages are reporting them to Facebook, and that's why they're getting banned. Okay, dropshippers are not getting banned on Facebook. My emails are getting like full of just people going, "Yo, Franklin, what's going on? Is dropshipping dead?" Absolutely not. So what you want to do is go through the Facebook policies, advert policies. It says nothing about dropshipping. Okay, but what they have brought out is a new thing where if you take someone else's video, they're trying to, get their copyright system more advanced. You're stealing someone's property, basically. So you will get your account banned, and they will not reinstate it most of the time. So to answer that question, guys, dropshippers are not getting banned on Facebook. Now, you can still take videos from AliExpress. I know that a lot of AliExpress vendors will have a download button, and you can download the video and use it in your advertising. It's a good idea to ask them first, but you won't get banned for doing that. What's happening is you're only getting banned if the person you took the video from is reporting you to Facebook. Okay, so when you see all these videos saying dropshippers are getting banned on Facebook, ignore that crap. It's junk. It's just clickbait titles trying to get you to click, and they're trying to get views and stuff like that. Dropshippers are not getting banned, and it will be very hard for Facebook to ban dropshippers because, first of all, they have to prove that you're dropshipping. It's very hard to do. And second, I remember actually a long time ago, this place Trade Me. We have a website over here in New Zealand called Trade Me. It's like an Amazon, but a real small version. And they banned dropshippers. And what they required was people to send in a photo of the product with the latest newspaper date to prove that they weren't dropshipping, right? It actually became impossible for them to do, and they lost a lot of business. So they kind of turned a blind eye to dropshipping. Facebook would need to prove that you're dropshipping to actually ban you, because a lot of big companies dropship as well. Dropshipping isn't illegal, so there's no reason why Facebook would ban dropshippers, because dropshipping, a lot of big companies do it anyway. It's a perfectly legal business model that well-known brands do. When they run out of stock, they get it shipped from their supplier to the customers sometimes. They do dropshipping as well. So this is just a quick video, guys. Facebook is not, okay, I repeat, Facebook is not banning dropshippers from Facebook. They're banning you if you steal videos, steal images, steal content from other pages, not necessarily other stores as well. And then when people report it, then you're getting banned. And they're not reinstating accounts. They're banning you straight away without any reinstatement, because it's completely illegal. Stealing other people's content is completely illegal. So that's why they're doing it. I find it very hard to believe that they would be banning people for dropshipping, specifically dropshipping. It would be nearly impossible for them to do that, in my opinion, because they would have to go through a lot to, I suppose if the store was junk and you could tell that they were specifically just doing dropshipping, maybe. But once again, Facebook would have to do manual reviews, and it would just take a long time and have a massive backlog of reviews. So that's really it, guys, for this. I better go inside and sort this stuff out. But it's funny because in New Zealand, we have a Shopify store that sells purely to New Zealand and Australia. And we get a lot of our stuff in from Alibaba in bulk. And this is the first time we've had problems with customs and taxes, and they're trying to charge us 15% tax, which is okay, that's normal. What they're trying to do is charge us like a $50 handling fee, a $160 processing fee, a damn insurance fee that it shouldn't even be there because we have our own insurance on our imported products. It's apparently customs have their own insurance. I don't know how that works. And then there's all these other processing fees, and it comes to nearly over $500 worth of just fees, not even including the GST. Now, we don't really mind because we'll make our money back, but it's the principle. They can't just throw fees out there thinking that they can just do whatever they want and get away with it, because we pay our taxes, and that should cover all these processing fees. This is a government agency. I don't see why we should have to pay more fees on top of GST taxes and other taxes to pay these guys. So we're going to sort that out. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that dropshippers are not getting banned on Facebook. All right, guys. Also, guys, follow me on Instagram. We're going to be doing some Q&A soon. I'll leave that below. And if you have any questions, guys, there's not much content in this video. If you have anything you want to see on my YouTube, we're going to start getting quite a lot of videos out next week. Let me know. Okay, the main topics, guys, we're doing is drop shipping and affiliate marketing, and probably like a lot of local lead generation stuff. We're doing that. And guys, my phone's recording. My team just created this sweet code that I'm going to be giving away soon. The code, I can't really give away what it does because someone will just steal the idea. It's going to help you get, if you're doing lead generation for your business, you've got a course or you're trying to create leads, it's going to help you get more open rates, more leads, and stuff like that. And it'll be completely free. It's just a code that you put on your landing page. I'm not going to give away too much information, but it's pretty cool. If you're on my Instagram, you would have seen it on the story this morning. You can probably figure out what it is. It's got something to do with the Facebook chatbot. Chatbot. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Just want to let you know, dropshippers are not getting banned on Facebook. Go out there and start crushing it, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.